Wow.
Hello.
You can put inside. Then you close in this way.
And how do you open it?
You open with this one. Pay attention that is necessary, that is close and start.
Okay.
Softener. Then this one is necessary, no work. Then you can choose the temperature and the kind of dress. Yes, synthetic cotton. And then you can choose the
Spin.
Yes, the lower and the speeder. Esatto. Then if you want, this is a speedy wash. You have everything ready in 45 minutes.
Okay.
Then you can start.
Okay.
And we have a dryer.